Welcome to English for Kids Academy.
Liam, guess what? What is it, Emma? We're going to the zoo today. Wow, I love the zoo. What should we take with us? Let's take water and snacks. Good idea. I'll bring my camera. Perfect. We'll take lots of pictures. Look, Liam, the zoo is so big. Yes, and I can hear animals. I can't wait to see the lions. Let's go inside quickly. Wow, that lion is huge. He looks so strong. He's the king of the jungle. Look, he's roaring. Look at that elephant. It has such a long trunk. It's eating bananas. So cute and gentle. That giraffe is so tall. It's eating leaves from the tree. I like its long neck. It looks friendly. The monkeys are jumping around. Haha, they're so funny. One monkey is eating a banana. They look like they're having fun. Look at those stripes. The zebras look like horses in pajamas. Haha, that's true. They're running together happily. That tiger looks scary, but also beautiful. It's resting in the shade. I'm glad there's a fence. Aw, the panda is eating bamboo. It's so cute and fluffy. I wish I could hug it. Me too, but pandas need space. Look at all the colorful birds. That parrot can talk. It said hello. Wow, so smart. Penguins are swimming fast. They look like they're flying underwater. One just slipped so funny. I love watching them play. Oh no, I'm scared of snakes. Don't worry, they're behind glass. That green one is beautiful. It's moving so slowly. Look, a baby kangaroo in the pouch. So tiny and cute. The big one can jump so high. I wish I could jump like that. That crocodile looks sleepy. Maybe it's waiting for food. It's opening its mouth. Wow, so many sharp teeth. The hippo is in the water. Only its head is showing. It looks funny. But hippos are very strong. Look, the zookeeper is feeding the animals. The elephants get fruit. The lions get meat. Everyone's enjoying lunch. Let's take a photo with the giraffe. Smile, Liam. Cheese. This will be a great memory. Let's buy a souvenir. I want a panda toy. I'll get a giraffe keychain. These will remind us of today. That was the best zoo trip ever. Yes, I learned so much about animals. I can't wait to come again. Me too. Let's tell our friends.